multiplication of large numbers and decimals and using column multiplication. It's an important algorithm that everyone should be able to do. Definitely people will judge you if you can't do it. And it's something that many students come out of primary school not being able to do. So the algorithm itself, as you can see with its 11 steps, is quite complicated. And I don't think you'd ever do it by following the steps of the algorithm, but I've written it out just to show how complicated it really is, so that we don't, we give kids the time to learn it. So here's what we do. We rearrange the number so that the number with the most significant digits, the biggest number is the multiplicand and the smaller number is the multiplier. We place the multiplicand on top, the multiplier underneath, and type right multiply and draw a line under it. We select the rightmost digit in the multiplier and then multiply that digit by the rightmost digit in the multiplicand, and then continue with that process until we've multiplied every digit by the multiplier in the multiplicand, carrying where required. Once we've multiplied all the digits in the multiplicand, we choose the next digit in the multiplier and repeat the previous step. But put an extra 0 at the start of each row. Then we draw a line under those once we've done them all, add the individual columns, carrying if necessary. Then we count the number of positions in the multiplicand and multiplier and move the decimal place from the right hand side that many positions. Now, that doesn't make this a simple algorithm. It's quite a complex algorithm. There's lots of repeats and lots of multiple steps. It's usually built up over a number of years in primary school, but if a student enters being unable to do it in high school, it can be difficult for them to catch up. When we're talking about a kid having a solid basis in mathematics, solid numeracy, this is one of the skills that we expect them to have. So here's a number that they should be able to do. Now, I'm being honest here. I had to do this 3 times before I got the correct answer because it's fiddly as hell and I'm probably not careful enough. And being a senior school maths teacher, I would never really have to do a sum like this. I would normally reach for a calculator. It's not to say I can't do it, it's just it's prone to error. So here we go. Put the number with the most significant digits on the top, one with the least significant digits underneath. That becomes the multiplicand, this becomes the multiplier. We choose the smallest digit. Multiply that by each of the digits in the multiplicand, and carry where necessary. So 2 times 6 is 12. Write down the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11, write down the 1, carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10 and 1 is 11, write down the 1, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8 and 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4. Write down 0 to indicate that we're doing a higher place value. And that will keep the digits in the correct columns for adding later. 3 6s are 18, carry the 1. 3 5s are 15 and 1 is 16, carry the 1. 3 5s are 15 and 1 is 16, carry the 1. 3 4s are 12 and 1 is 13, carry the 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1 is 10, carry the 1. 3 2s are 6 and 1 is 7, 3 2s are 6. Multiply by the next largest number in the multiplier, put 2 zeros, 1 2, start from here. 2 6s are 12, carry the 1. 2 5s are 10 and 1 is 11, carry the 1. 2 5s are 10 and 1 is 11, carry the 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 is 9. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Add each column. 2, 9, 7, 8, 9, 15, 16, carry the 1 up here. 1, 6, 7, 10, 11, carry the 1 up here. 4, 9, 1 is 13, 1 is 14. Sorry, 9 and 4 is 13 and 1 is 14, carry the 1. 8 and 4 is 12, 7 and 1 is 8 and 4 is 12, and 6 is 18, carry the 1. 6 and 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 4 is 5. Count the number of decimal places. There's the decimal. 1, 2, 3 numbers are after the decimal place. Go across 3 decimal places. Go across 3 place values. 1, 2, 3. Decimal point goes here. So if I multiply this number by this number, that is the answer. Now, whilst you won't often do a number that's that big, you may more often do smaller numbers like these. You can see here, I have gone and written the answer to check that I am correct. Let's try and do some. 8.04 times 0.04. These two digits, these leading digits, we don't have to worry about. They have no value in the sum. 4 fours are 16, carry the 1. 6 zeros are 0, plus 1 is 1. 8 fours are 32. Count the decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where the decimal place goes. 8.45 times 0.36. This is not a significant digit, so we put that on the bottom, even though they're both 3 digits long. Because that's not significant, we use that for the multiplier, so we can do less multiplying. 6 fives are 33, 6 fours are 24, and 3 is 27. 6 fours are 28, and 6 eights are 48, and 2 is 50. Write down a 0. 3 fives are 15, carry the 1. 3 fours are 12, and 1 is 13. 3 fours, 8 threes are 24, plus 1 is 25. Add the columns. 0, 12, 3, plus 1 is 4. 10, carry the 1. 2 and 3 is 6. Right, so there's the one up there. Actually, I should write 0, 12, there's the one up there. 1 and 3 is 4. 5 and 5 is 10, there's the 1. 1, 2 is 3. 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal place goes there. 0.006 only has one significant figure, so we'll put that on the bottom. 0, 0, 0, 0 will just be 0. There'd be nothing underneath here. 6 fours are 24. Carry the 2. 9 sixes. What is going on here? 6s are 54. No, 6 fours. This is wrong. 6 fours are 24. Carry the 2. 9 sixes are 54. 56. 6 zeros 5. 6 fours are 24. There we go. Last one. I have a real problem with this one. I think I've gotten this one wrong a few times. I don't know why. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 3 fours are 12. Carry the 1. 4 fours are 16. 1 is 17. For this digit, write down the 0. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. Write down the 12. Go to the next digit. Write down 2 zeros now. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. Write down 3 zeros for the 1. 1, 2, 3. One's 1 is 1. One's 2 is 2. One's 3 is 3. One's 4 is 4. We've now got all the numbers. Add the columns. 4, 11, carry the 1. 1, 3, 9, 11, carry the 1. 8, 17, 21, 22, carry the 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 13, carry the 1. 1, 2, 10, 13, carry the 1. 1, 4, 5. Now, if you're finding the algorithm difficult to follow, build it up in small steps. So start with a 3-digit multiplicand and a single-digit whole number. Then do it with 2-digit whole numbers, then with 3-digit whole numbers, and then with 2-digit decimal numbers. And if you practice it with a range of decimal numbers after that of varying precision, you should be okay. It won't happen overnight, but you will get better at it. And then any time that you get hit with a multiplication sum in a non-calculator section, you'll be all right. Or otherwise, you'll be just giving these marks up on every test that the sums become a little bit difficult. I hope that's helpful, and I will speak to you soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye.